Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you a super useful trick how to export your Google Sheets as an image file like a JPG, JPEG, or PNG. First, let's head into your Google Sheet, the one you want to turn into an image. Now, Google Sheets doesn't give you a native export as image option. First solution, you can open your snipping tool in your PC, capture the part you want to save. Second solution, go up to the top left, click on File, then scroll down and find Download. Once you hover over that, a list pops out and click on PDF document. Then we will convert it to image. Afterwards, you might get a quick settings window where you can choose which section of the sheet to export. Once you're ready, hit Export or Download, and your computer will save a PDF version of your sheet. Next up, we need to convert that PDF into an actual image format like JPG or PNG. To do that, open a new tab in your web browser, and in the search bar type in PDF to JPEG. And click on this website, click on Select PDF Files or Upload PDF, then click that and navigate to wherever your PDF downloaded. It's probably in your Downloads folder. Select your PDF file and upload it. The site will then process your document, which sometimes takes a minute or two depending on the size. Then click the download button and those images will land in your Downloads folder. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments for more tips.